Welcome to Future Sight, the place where tomorrow begins today. If you're between 18 and 30, you're part of a generation standing at a crossroads. The choices we make now won't just shape our lives, but will echo for generations to come. Let's be honest, doesn't the future feel uncertain? Climate change, dwindling resources, and rising costs? It's enough to make anyone anxious. But here's the good news. We're not powerless. In this video, we'll explore 5 crucial things we must save to secure a better future for ourselves and for generations to come. Let's dive in. Saving natural resources. Imagine waking up in a world where fresh water is a luxury. Hard to picture, right? Yet, that's the future we're hurtling toward, unless we act now. Clean water, breathable air, and fertile soil. These aren't just resources, they're lifelines. But here's where we can change the narrative. Simple actions like conserving water, reducing waste, and supporting renewable energy can tip the scales. If everyone did their part, we'd ensure these gifts of nature don't run dry. So ask yourself, what's one small step you can take today? Because the future doesn't need despair, it needs determination. Saving knowledge and education. Now think about this. Knowledge is the most powerful tool humanity has ever created, yet many of us don't realize it's also at risk. Historical texts lost to time, skills forgotten, and even misinformation replacing facts all threaten our progress. But there's hope. Every book you read, every skill you learn, every fact you verify contributes to the collective wisdom of humanity. Education isn't just for schools, it's for life. Imagine a future where we don't just preserve knowledge, but expand it, creating solutions to problems we've yet to imagine. So what will you choose to learn today that could help build a better tomorrow? Saving financial stability. Let's talk about money. Does the thought of not having enough make your stomach churn? You're not alone. Financial stress is one of the greatest fears for our generation. But here's the thing, saving money isn't just about security, it's about freedom. Freedom to pursue dreams, to adapt to challenges, and to support causes that matter. Start small. An emergency fund, a few dollars invested each month, and watch it grow. Remember, every dollar saved today is a promise to your future self. And let's make that promise together. Saving health and well-being. Your health is your true wealth, yet in the hustle for success, we often sacrifice it. Sound familiar? But imagine a future where you're not just surviving, but thriving. It starts with the basics: nutritious food, regular exercise, and mental health care. Your body and mind are the engines of your dreams. Take care of them now, and they'll take care of you later. After all, what's the point of saving the world if we're not well enough to enjoy it? Saving community and relationships. Finally, let's talk about something we often overlook: our connections. In an age of social media and fast-paced living, loneliness is quietly becoming an epidemic. But here's the beauty. We don't have to face the future alone. Building strong relationships, fostering a sense of community, and supporting each other can create a ripple effect of positivity. Together, we're stronger, smarter, and unstoppable. So, who can you reach out to today? A friend, a neighbor, a loved one? They're part of your future too. The future is coming faster than we think. Will it be one of regret or one of hope and resilience? That's up to us. Start saving these 5 things today, and let's create a world worth inheriting. If this video inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Hit that subscribe button, share this with your friends, and let's build a brighter tomorrow together. This is Future Sight, and the future is ours to shape.